Yeah, Kyle and headphones. Well, sorry.
He has them up so loud.
Yeah, and they're noise canceling.
I'm the same way. I can't work without music. It drives me insane.
Oh yeah.
I am
just silent.
I am the same way
can't do
also,
anything.
but like when I'm working around other people, I try not to have headphones in.
Yeah.
So.
We can put the music on the music thing if you want, Kyle. Then you don't need headphones.
Oh, that'll be.
You want to listen to what Kyle listens to?
I'll listen to anything. Like we've listened to show tunes. We listened to freaking the Rat Pack. We listened to freaking rock and roll so heavy you can't even understand what they're saying. It's just screaming.
Oh yeah, I like my metal not so heavy.
And yeah,
so
classic
heavy.
rock. That everybody gets a turn, so we
Oh.
rotate. Everybody gets a day to play their music.
Oh, we've done that
So,
before.
Yeah.
That shit sucks.
Yeah.
I hear this saying.
Me and Philip like kind of more acoustic rock, so it's more chill.
The next
and
time
then,
I hear the Lion King, I'm gonna kill myself.
Yeah, JJ used to have the Lion King songs on his playlist that he would play.
so we have a playlist that auto creates based on all the music we've played.
Oh.
So one day somebody thought it would be funny to put a Disney playlist on,
Yeah.
and I like Disney music, so I let it play all day. So now our auto-generated thing is full of all these Disney songs.
Little Mermaid be bumping hard. Sounds like someone else's thing.
So I just let it play all day, and I had to listen to Disney music all day. And then the next day it was my turn. I was like, well, it's okay. So I put show tunes on all day. So we listened to Broadway and Rent and all this kind of stuff. And so now our auto-generated playlist is all messed up.
That's why
Dear
everybody
Lord.
works for here today.
It's gonna be hard, but you can take it. Want you to cry, then you will fake it. Give it a beat and you will shake it. The finish line and you'll make it. Don't you let it get you down. Just keep getting up when you hit the ground. Don't you let it get you down. Just keep getting up when you hit the ground. Gotta be real with it. Never give up, never give up.